Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Bug Fans is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets that can revolutionize your outdoor dining experience, keeping pesky insects away from your delicious food and allowing you to enjoy your meals in peace without the constant swatting and annoyance. Imagine a picnic, barbecue, or even just a casual backyard dinner where your food remains untouched by flies, bees, or other flying pests, creating a more pleasant and hygienic environment for everyone to savor their culinary creations. Number 5. LiBa Electric Bug Zapper, 2-pack. Introducing the LiBa Electric Bug Zapper, your solution for a bug-free home. This powerful device attracts and eliminates flying insects, keeping your living space comfortable. Designed with safety in mind, it features a protective screen to keep little fingers safe. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your family is protected from both bugs and accidental contact. Say goodbye to harmful sprays and odors. This zapper uses light bulbs to attract and eliminate bugs, offering a clean and effective alternative for indoor pest control. Setup is a breeze with the included chain for hanging or simply place it on any surface. The removable tray makes cleaning up zapped bugs quick and easy. We've included 2 bonus replacement bulbs to ensure your bug zapper keeps working effectively. Enjoy extended protection with this convenient and reliable indoor insect killer. Hang it high where bugs gather or place it on any surface. Its versatile design makes it suitable for various indoor areas, ensuring comprehensive bug protection. What we like? This indoor bug zapper uses dual light bulbs to attract and eliminate flying insects. It operates without any chemicals, making it a safe alternative to sprays. If you're looking for a straightforward, chemical-free solution to keep your indoor spaces free of flies and mosquitoes, this is a great choice for kitchens or living areas. What people say? It gets rid of nearly all the flying buggers super quick. This thing makes a snap noise loud enough to turn heads on the other side of my house. It works. Definitely. Works great. Haven't been bit by a mosquito since I purchased. Came with spare bulbs. Number 4. STEM Flying Insect Fan Trap Starter Kit. Introducing the STEM Flying Insect Fan Trap, your ultimate solution for indoor bug control. It effectively attracts and traps mosquitoes, fruit flies, and house flies, ensuring a pest-free environment. Our innovative dual attraction technology combines a powerful fan with a discreet blue light. This combination works together to lure and capture a variety of flying insects. Enjoy a peaceful home with our powerful yet quiet bug catcher. It efficiently controls pests in any area of your home, allowing you to relax without disturbance. Take control with the easy-to-use touch display. Select your preferred fan speed and set a timer for 3, 8, or 12 hours, or choose continuous 24/7 operation for constant protection. This indoor pest control device comes with 5 mess-free glue traps and a 6-foot cord for easy portability. Set it up anywhere in your home or enclosed patio for convenient bug control. Operation is simple. Flying insects are drawn in by the UV light and quiet fan, then captured on the sticky glue trap. Just replace the glue card when it's full. Rest assured, this fly trap is odorless and crafted without chemical insecticides. It's a family and pet-friendly option when used as directed, providing peace of mind. What we like? This device combines a fan and UV light for dual attraction of flying insects. It offers customizable fan speeds and timers for quiet, efficient pest control. If you need a versatile indoor bug trap that can be tailored to your specific needs and offers a quiet operation, consider this for bedrooms or home offices. What people say. These little things work great, and they're super quiet. For the price we paid, it's pretty much gotten rid of all the gnats that tend to get into our house around summertime. Works really well for light-focused bugs. The unit, with no exaggeration, became populated with approximately 300 gnats. Great product if you have the ability to figure out these things, instructions or not. I love it and no longer have a house full of irritation flying up my nose. Number 3. Fretech Fly Fans for Tables 4-pack. Tired of flies ruining your outdoor meals? Our portable fans keep them away, ensuring a pleasant experience all summer long. Enjoy your picnics and parties without any buzzing distractions. Discover how it works. The spinning holographic blades create a disorienting light pattern that bugs naturally avoid. This unique design effectively keeps them at bay, allowing you to dine in peace. Take it anywhere. Powered by batteries, these fans are lightweight and easy to move. Place them on any table or hang them up for protection wherever you go, indoors or out. Designed with safety in mind, the soft, flexible blades stop on contact. You can relax knowing that little hands are protected, even when the fan is in use. Elevate your next barbecue, party, or picnic. These fans are your ideal companion for keeping annoying insects away. Enjoy your time with friends and family, free from the hassle of flies. Have questions about your new fans? We're here to help. Contact us anytime, and we'll respond within 24 hours to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This fan uses holographic patterns on its blades to deter bugs by bending light, making it appear dangerous to them. It's portable, battery-powered, and features soft blades that stop on contact. If you enjoy outdoor gatherings like picnics or BBQs and want a simple, portable way to keep flies away from your food table without noise or chemicals, this is an excellent option. What people say. They work great, are quiet, and definitely keep the bugs away from food. This little fly fan is a game changer. We use it while eating outside and it actually keeps the flies away so we can enjoy our food in peace. It's lightweight, quiet, and safe even around the kids. The design is clever, the blades are safe and quiet, and the battery life easily lasted all day and beyond. Great value for money and a must-have for outdoor dining, picnics, or events. Number 2. TOPK 2-pack 5000 mAh portable desk fan. Enjoy up to 16 hours of cooling on a single charge. This fan is perfect for a full day of use, whether you're at the office or enjoying the outdoors, without needing frequent recharges. Experience powerful cooling with our advanced brushless motor. It provides 4 adjustable speeds while operating quietly, ensuring a peaceful environment for work or rest. Never guess your power levels again with the intuitive digital display showing battery percentage and wind speed. Charging is simple and fast with the universal USB-C port. This compact fan features an ultra-slim profile and a foldable stand, making it a stylish and space-saving addition to any desk or room. It blends seamlessly into your environment. Take comfort with you wherever you go. This 2-pack includes 2 fans, USB-C cables, and features a recessed button to prevent accidental power-ups, making it your ideal travel companion. What we like. This portable desk fan boasts an impressive battery life of up to 16 hours and an ultra-slim, space-saving design. It operates with a quiet brushless motor, ensuring a distraction-free environment. If you need a reliable, long-lasting, and compact fan for personal use at your desk, bedside, or while traveling, this 2-pack offers great value and convenience. What people say. The fan is quiet and effective at keeping flies away from food. It has multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust the airflow as needed. The fan is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the table or take on picnics. Number 1. AMIAEDU Fly Fans for Tables 6-pack, black. Introducing our innovative fly repellent fans, designed to keep your spaces free from annoying insects. They offer a safe and effective solution for a clean and quiet environment, allowing you to fully enjoy your food and drinks without interruption. These fans feature newly upgraded holographic blades that constantly reflect light as they rotate. This disrupts the airflow and deters flying insects, bugs, and bees, ensuring your food and beverages stay fresh. The blades are crafted from soft touch material and are designed to stop instantly upon contact with any object. This ensures safety for you, your children, and your pets, unlike other fly-repelling devices. Our fly deterrent fans offer dual-use functionality. They can stand upright on a table or be hung upside down using the bottom hook. Perfect for both indoor dining and outdoor activities like camping, picnics, and BBQs. With a compact and lightweight design, these fans are easily portable for any indoor or outdoor setting. They operate at a constant speed without producing disturbing sounds, ensuring a quiet and pleasant mealtime. Powered by just 2 AA batteries, not included, these fans provide a bug-free environment without the need for charging. Enjoy immediate protection wherever you go. What we like. This pack of fly fans features upgraded holographic blades that reflect light to deter insects and soft blades designed to stop instantly on contact. They offer dual-use functionality, allowing them to stand on a table or be hung. If you frequently host indoor or outdoor events like parties, BBQs, or picnics and want a safe, effective, and portable solution to keep flies away from your food and guests, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. It keeps everything away. Easy assembled lightweight value for your money. Once we placed one on each table, we immediately noticed that there were no flies bothering our guests. Everyone was able to relax, enjoy their food, and have conversations without constantly swatting away pests. They are tall enough to cover your plate of food without having to constantly swat flies away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.